Hello, friends. Today we will learn the difference between two very common words. One is can, C-A-N, can, and the other is may, M-A-Y, may. Of course, I'm not talking about the cold drink can that you get, nor am I talking about the month May, but I am talking about two very common words that we use, and we usually make the mistake between can and may. When you try to enter your class, you end up asking, "Can I come in, ma'am?" But is it the right way of asking? Is it the right sentence that you are asking? No. Can means capability. Can is your ability, your capability. You have legs, you can walk, you can come inside the class. Okay, so it is your ability, it's your capability rather. Okay, so can is something that goes ahead with your capability, whereas may talks about the possibility, or may usually tells you that you need to have a permission to do this job or to do this work. So can, basically the question is, can you fly? Can you fly? It's asking whether you are able of flying or not. Are you capable to fly or not? Do you have wings as birds have so that you fly? So that is something like can. Can you write? Okay, but may is permission. May I come in? May I sit down? May I complete my homework? So it is asking some permission. Like you will have capabilities. Sometimes it can be permissions in a very informal sense. Like she can play basketball. Can you play basketball? So it is like, whether do you know how to play basketball or not? If one person can play basketball, other can, but it is which the person is asking you in very informal sense whether you can play basketball or whether you know how to play basketball. Okay, so in that sense also you can use can, wherein these can also asked about possibilities, but can is never permission. Permission is always given by the word may. Okay, so I may attend the meeting this weekend that talks about possibilities. Yes, there is a chance that you may attend the meeting this weekend. May I come in? It talks about possibilities, whether you can come in or not. Maybe the teacher is already in when you have entered the class. Okay, so I may go out to play. Okay, I may go out to play. So it's telling, even you can ask a question like to your teacher if you are asking, may I drink some water? May I drink some water? So there also you are asking the permission of the teacher to do some job. Like these are the two differences about may and can. Please do practice so that you do not make any mistake between these two words of may and can. May I sit down? Can I fly? I can write. May I write the letter for you? I can sing a song. May I sing few lines for you? I can teach various subjects. May I have the permission to take the class? Thank you.